Today, I will talk about how blockchains can help with agent standards and agent communication. I lead at AI at MetaMask, and I'm one of the co-authors of ERC-8004, which is currently the most discussed standard in AI and Web3. In a few years, the large majority of the services that we will buy and sell will be intermediated by agents. With humans still in the loop in some cases, with AI augmented interfaces, and soon with just agents acting among themselves. And so the point is of how agents will discover other agents is crucial for like the distribution of health and for free markets in general. So I think we want to come out in a web of agents and not in an agents app store where we have a couple of companies, as it happens with apps, that intermediate 150 billion and decide who can stay in a store and how much the single app need to pay to stay in that single store. So logically, the flow is discovery, how agents get aware of existence of other agents. Second, how agents decide to trust other agents, how they communicate with agents that they decided to trust, and finally, how they can pay the agent. And the first two areas are uncovered, and that's why ERC-8004 exists. So ERC-8004 has been proposed as a draft in August, but actually V1 came out in October, so it's very recent. And I've co-authored this with folks from Interop Foundation, Google, and Coinbase. This is a standard that has been created with the people, specifically with around 100 experts and companies, and now we have more than 1,000 companies involved. So I would say that the vast majority of my time has been focused in like listening to opinions and like try to solve the technical and standard puzzle, which was pretty challenging. What does 8004 do? 8004 provide permissionless discovery. So it uses blockchains, thanks to a registry, to enable any agent builder to register its agent and make the agent discoverable by anybody in an unstoppable way, using blockchain as a single point of entry to that, and then pointing to more information that are stored off-chain, for example, on IPFS file or in other kind of storage to make this information always reachable. There is also another registry which provides trust thanks to feedback, like when you go to a restaurant, so client feedback of the past, crypto economic security, so agents that are staking money, and if they misbehave, it gets slashed, and finally, validation through trusted execution environment. So we will just go very fast. We don't have time to get into the details of the protocol, but basically every agent is an NFT. It's minted. It points to an agent card, a registration file, which is off-chain. And this registration file is the entry point to contact the agent on already existing standards that we have just connected and put together. We don't want to reinvent the wheel. So you starting again from the blockchain, so it's unstoppable. You can understand which agents are reachable through MCP, through A2A, which are, we discussed the ID today, what's the ENS endpoint, what's the web endpoint, what's the wallet. And these agents can also receive reputation signals. Reputation is a multidimensional problem, so you can decide which tag to use and how to rate the agent. We're not creating an aggregation algorithm. We're just providing public data. So our goal is to make reputation signals public, then it's up to the teams to decide how to aggregate them. So it's just the information rails. Feedback also have an off-chain component. And an MCP server can be one of the agent and services registered on the register as well. So 8004 will enable basically to create distributed catalogs of MCPs instead of the centralized ones that we have been seeing up to now. Agents could also be paid, and this is advertised through X402, which enable micropayments and off-chain payments. And you can also ask a certain smart contract to be validated, and the validator can answer positively or negatively. We're also almost running out of time, and the use cases are many. Again, if you have low stake, you will use reputation when you don't have money at stake. When you have a lot of money at stake, for example, with trading agents, which are currently the most popular use case, you can have stake secure inference. And the third one that I was mentioning, hardware security mechanism, is great when you need auditability of the code, because the trusted execution environments signs an attestation on the code that you're running, or when you're handling with confidential data. Next steps, we are in testnet. We will go to mainnet in January. And again, we have more than 1,000 builders and companies involved, and we want to make this happen. And we think that agents should run on neutral rails, and that blockchains are a great tool to achieve this. Thank you.